Q. Widespread resistance of malarial parasite to drugs like chloroquine has prompted attempts to develop a malarial vaccine to combat malaria. Why is it difficult to develop an effective malaria vaccine? 2010. Malaria is caused by several species of Plasmodium. B. Man does not develop immunity to malaria during natural infection. C. Vaccines can be developed only against bacteria. D. Man is only an intermediate host and not the definitive host. Answer A. Q. Mission Indradhanush, launched by the government of India, pertains to 2016. Immunization of children and pregnant women. B. Construction of smart cities across the country. C. India's own search for the Earth-like planets in outer space. D. New educational policy. Universal Immunization Program. Immunization program in India was introduced in 1978 as Expanded Program of Immunization (AP) by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. In 1985, the program was modified as Universal Immunization Program (UIP) to be implemented in phased manner to cover all districts in the country by 1989-90, with the one of largest health program in the world. Mission Indradhanush is the main program under this. The program now consists of vaccination for 12 diseases: 1. Tuberculosis; 2. Diphtheria; 3. Pertussis; whooping cough; 4. Tetanus; 5. Poliomyelitis; 6. Measles; 7. Hepatitis B; 8. Diarrhea; 9. Japanese encephalitis; 10. Rubella; 11. Pneumonia; Haemophilus influenza type B; 12. Pneumococcal diseases; pneumococcal pneumonia and meningitis. The Indradhanush mission, launched in 2014, is to fast-track the Universal Immunization Program. The mission aims at increasing the immunization coverage to 90% by 2018. Mission Indradhanush. The objective of Mission Indradhanush is to achieve full immunization coverage by 2020 for all those children under the age of 2 years and pregnant women who are either unvaccinated, partially vaccinated against 7. Vaccine-preventable diseases viz. Diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, measles, and hepatitis B. In 2016, 4 new additions have been made viz. Rubella, Japanese encephalitis, injectable polio vaccine, bivalent and rotavirus. It was decided that 201 districts will be covered in the first phase and 297 districts will be targeted for the second phase in 2015. Intensified Mission Indradhanush (IMI). In October 2017, the government launched Intensified Mission Indradhanush (IMI) to cover all left-outs and dropouts in select districts and urban areas with low routine immunization coverage in a specific time frame, December 2018. IMI will focus on children up to 2 years of age and pregnant women who have missed out on routine immunization. However, vaccination on demand to children up to 5 years of age will be provided during IMI rounds. Starting from October 7, 2017, states will carry out Intensified Mission Indradhanush drives for 7 working days from 7th day of every month starting from 4 consecutive months. Important terms: immunization. Immunization is the process whereby a person is made immune or resistant to an infectious disease, typically by the administration of a vaccine. Vaccines are substances that stimulate the body's own immune system to protect the person against subsequent infection or disease. Immunity. Immunity is the ability of the body to protect against all types of foreign bodies like bacteria, virus, toxic substances, etc., which enter the body. Immunity is also called disease resistance. Immunity to a disease is achieved through the presence of antibodies to that disease in a person's system. Antibodies are proteins produced by the body to neutralize or destroy toxins or disease-carrying organisms. Antibodies are disease-specific. There are 2 main types of immunity. The types are 1. Innate, natural or non-specific immunity. 2. Acquired, specific or adaptive immunity. Innate immunity. Innate immunity, also called non-specific or natural immunity, refers to the inborn ability of the body to resist and is genetically transmitted from one generation to the next. This immunity offers resistance to any microorganism or foreign material encountered by the host. Acquired immunity. Acquired immunity, also called specific or adaptive immunity, refers to an immunity that is developed by the host in its body after exposure to a suitable antigen or after transfer of antibodies or lymphocytes from an immune donor. Differences. Feature: innate immunity, acquired immunity. Specificity limited and fixed, diversified and improves with time. Response time rapid, hours, slow, days. Response to re-exposure identical to primary response, faster than primary response. Types of acquired immunity: active immunity. Active immunity results when exposure to a disease organism triggers the immune system to produce antibodies to that disease. Exposure to the disease organism can occur through infection with the actual disease, resulting in natural immunity, or introduction of a kill the weakened form of the disease organism through vaccination, vaccine-induced immunity. Passive immunity. Passive immunity is provided when a person is given antibodies to a disease rather than producing them through his or her own immune system. A newborn baby acquires passive immunity from its mother through the placenta. A person can also get passive immunity through antibody-containing blood products such as immune globulin, which may be given when immediate protection from a specific disease is needed. Q. Mission Indradhanush, launched by the government of India, pertains to immunization of children and pregnant women. B. Construction of smart cities across the country. C. India's own search for the Earth-like planets in outer space. D. New educational policy. Answer A. Q. Consider the following diseases. 2014 I. 1. Diphtheria. 2. Chickenpox. 3. Smallpox. Which of the above diseases have been eradicated in India? 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None. Eradication of disease. Disease eradication is the permanent reduction of a disease to zero cases through deliberate measures such as vaccines. Once a disease has been eradicated, intervention measures are no longer needed. Elimination of disease. Elimination means stopping the transmission of a disease in a specific geographic area or country, but not worldwide. Current status in world. Smallpox and Rindeps, the 2 diseases already eradicated. Polio, guinea worm, and yaws, the 3 diseases that will hopefully be eradicated next. Rabies, a disease for which regional elimination is underway, and which might be eradicated in the future. Tuberculosis, HIV, AIDS, and malaria, the 3 infectious diseases which currently cause most deaths worldwide. We explain why they cannot currently be eradicated and what is missing for them to become eradicable. Diseases eradicated in India. Smallpox. First disease to have been eradicated globally. The world was declared smallpox free in 1980. India eradicated smallpox in April 1977. Smallpox was one of the most lethal and feared diseases in history caused by the variola major or minor viruses. It exclusively infected humans. Symptoms included fever, vomiting, and the development of a rash covering the body that would turn into fluid-filled pustules. These pustules later formed scabs which eventually fell off to leave behind large and very visible scars. Smallpox was a disease that spread via droplets when infected patients sneezed or coughed. Rindeps. Rindeps, also known as cattle plague, was a disease caused by the Rindeps virus that infected primarily cattle and buffalo but was also found in various antelopes, bush pigs, warthogs, giraffes, sheep, and goats. Symptoms suffered by infected animals included fever, wounds in the mouth, diarrhea, discharge from the nose and eyes, and eventually death. Death rates during Rindeps outbreaks were remarkably high, up to 100% in particularly susceptible herds. The virus spread via infected droplets, so by inhaling sick animals' breath, secretions or excretions. Diseases eradicated in India. Guinea worm. Guinea worm disease has been eradicated from India in the year 2000. However, surveillance activities are carried out whenever there are doubts, rumors of prevalence of this disease in any part of the country. Dracunculiasis, also called guinea worm disease (GWD), is a parasitic infection by the guinea worm. A person becomes infected when they drink water that contains water fleas infected with guinea worm larvae. Initially, there are no symptoms. About 1 year later, the female worm forms a painful blister in the skin, usually on a lower limb. Other symptoms at this time may include vomiting and dizziness. Trachoma. India was declared free from infective trachoma, a contagious bacterial infection of the eye in 2017. Trachoma is a chronic infective disease of eye and is leading cause of infective blindness globally. It is outcome of poor environmental and personal hygiene and inadequate access to water and sanitation. It affects conjunctiva under the eyelids. Repeated trachoma infection causes scarring leading to interning of the eyelashes and eyelids, which further causes damage to cornea and blindness. It is main cause of corneal blindness in India. Diseases eradicated in India. Yaws. Yaws is a kind of chronic bacterial infection which mostly affects tribal population that inhabits remote, hilly and forest areas. In July 2016, India received official citation from WHO and UNICEF for being free of the disease. This milestone was reached before the WHO global target of eradicating the disease by 2020. It is a chronic bacterial infection that affects the skin, cartilages and bones. It is caused by the Spirochaetae bacterium Treponema pallidum pertinu. It spreads by direct contact with the fluid from a lesion of an infected person. Maternal and neonatal tetanus. India was declared free from MNT in 2015. Tetanus is an infection caused by the bacterium Clostridium tetani. It can occur whenever there is an open wound in the body. In case of MNT, a newborn or the child delivering mother can be infected with MNT due to unhygienic birthing practices such as the use of unsterilized instruments or contaminated dressings and non-institutional deliveries. Symptoms. In case of healthy newborns infants, first signs of this infection are tightening of facial and jaw muscles which leads to difficulty in feeding. Diseases eradicated in India. Polio. Polio is a highly infectious disease caused by a virus. It invades the nervous system and can cause total paralysis, acute flaccid paralysis, in a matter of hours. The virus is transmitted by person to person, spread mainly through the fecal oral route or, less frequently, by a common vehicle, for example, contaminated water or food, and multiplies in the intestine. Initial symptoms of fever, fatigue, headache, vomiting, stiffness of the neck and pain in the limbs. There is no cure for polio. It can only be prevented. Polio mainly affects children under 5 years of age. Polio vaccine, given multiple times, can protect a child for life. There are 3 strains of wild polio virus, type 1, type 2, and type 3. P2 was eradicated globally in 1999. The last case due to TYPE2 wild polio virus globally was reported from Aligarh in India in 1999. India attained a polio-free status in 2014 after successfully eliminating the wild P1 and P3 strains. India eliminated the TYPE2 strain in 2016, and the TYPE2 containing polio virus vaccine, TOPIV, was phased out in April 2016. Thus, children born after April 2016 in India have no immunity to TYPE2 polio virus. Today, only 3 countries in the world have never stopped transmission of polio: Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Nigeria. Diseases eradicated in India. Polio vaccine. The vaccine used by the World Health Organization (WHO) in the global eradication effort is a trivalent preparation comprising all 3 serotypes. Oral polio vaccine (OPV) contains weakened but live polio virus, which can cause paralytic polio. The vaccine virus is excreted by immunized children. It can move from one person to another. Vaccine-derived polio virus (VDPV), like imported wild polio, can cause outbreaks in under-immunized population. According to the Lancet, vaccination using OPV has become the main source of polio paralysis in the world. It is for this reason that the eradication of polio worldwide requires OPV to be stopped and replaced with inactivated polio vaccine (IPV). It consists of kill polio virus strains of all 3 polio virus types and it produces antibodies in the blood to all 3 types of polio virus. Q. Consider the following diseases. 2014 I. 1. Diphtheria. 2. Chickenpox. 3. Smallpox. Which of the above diseases have been eradicated in India? 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None. Answer. B. Q. Consider the following statements. 1. In tropical regions, Zika virus disease is transmitted by the same mosquito that transmits dengue. 2. Sexual transmission of Zika virus disease is possible. Which of the statements given above are correct? 2018. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Zika virus. Zika virus is a mosquito-borne flavivirus that was first identified in Uganda in 1947 in monkeys. It was later identified in humans in 1952 in Uganda and the United Republic of Tanzania. Zika virus disease is mosquito-borne virus transmitted by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes which also transmit 3 other vector-borne diseases: chikungunya, dengue and yellow fever. Zika virus disease is caused by virus transmitted primarily by Aedes mosquitoes, which bite during the day. Symptoms are generally mild and include fever, rash, conjunctivitis, muscle and joint pain, malaise or headache. Symptoms typically last for 2 to 7 days. Most people with Zika virus infection do not develop symptoms. Zika virus infection during pregnancy can cause infants to be born with microcephaly and other congenital malformations known as congenital Zika syndrome. Infection with Zika virus is also associated with other complications of pregnancy including preterm birth and miscarriage. Zika virus can be transmitted through sexual intercourse. An increased risk of neurologic complications is associated with Zika virus infection in adults and children, including Guillain-Barré syndrome, neuropathy and myelitis. There is no treatment available for Zika virus infection or its associated diseases. First outbreak of Zika virus was reported in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in February 2017 and second outbreak in July 2017 from Krishnagiri district in Tamil Nadu. Government has now confirmed new cases of Zika in Jaipur. Disease cause and transmission agent symptoms, effects, cure, vaccine. Crimean Congo. Hemorrhagic fever. Caused by a tick-borne virus called norovirus. The virus is primarily transmitted to people from ticks and livestock animals. Symptoms include headache, high fever, back pain, joint pain, stomach pain, and vomiting. Red eyes, a flushed face, a red throat, and petechiae, red spots on the palate are common. There is no vaccine available for either people or animals. Laboratory tests that are used to diagnose include antigen capture enzyme linked immunosorbent assay ELISA. Nipah. It was first identified during an outbreak of disease that took place in Kampung Sungai, Nipah, Malaysia in 1998. Closing parenthesis. Zoonotic virus transmitted from animals to humans that causes severe disease in both animals and humans. The natural host of the virus is fruit bats. It can be transmitted to humans from animals such as bats or pigs or contaminated foods and can also be transmitted directly from human to human. The classical symptom is acute and rapidly progressive encephalitis, brain inflammation and pain with or without respiratory involvement. There is no vaccine for either humans or animals. There is no effective specific treatment for the infection and hospitalization is only to support our bodily immune systems. Disease cause and transmission agent. Symptoms, cure, vaccine. SARS, severe. Acute respiratory syndrome. Viral respiratory disease of zoonotic origin caused by the SARS coronavirus. Droplets from coughing and sneezing in close human contact can transmit the SARS virus. Most cases of SARS begin with a high fever. Other early symptoms include those common to flu, such as aches, chills, diarrhea, dry coughing, and shortness of breath. These will develop over the course of a week. There is no vaccine for SARS and no cases have been reported worldwide since 2004. MERS first. Reported in Saudi Arabia in 2012. It is a viral respiratory disease caused by a coronavirus. Exposure to camels or camel products appears to be the main source of human infection. Human-to-human infections are also seen. Typical MERS symptoms include fever, cough and shortness of breath. Pneumonia is common but not always present. Gastrointestinal symptoms, including diarrhea, have also been reported. There is no vaccine to prevent MERS-CoV infection. There is no specific antiviral treatment recommended for MERS-CoV infection. Human papilloma. Skin-to-skin contact and is. Itching or genital warts. There is no cure for HPV but disease transmission agent and causal organism. Symptoms, cure, vaccine. West Nile virus. It was first isolated in a woman in the West Nile district of Uganda in 1937. In India, it was first noticed in 1956 and it had its presence in Kerala in 1973. Typically spread by Culex mosquitoes. It is a member of the flavivirus genus and belongs to the same family of Japanese Encephalitis flaviviridae. Its transmission cycle, by nature, revolves between birds and mosquitoes. Humans, horses and other mammals can be infected. Symptoms and signs of West Nile virus initially not seen but later include fever, headache, body aches, skin rash, and swollen lymph nodes. No vaccine is available for humans. Kyasanur forest disease or monkey fever. It was first identified in 1957 from Kyasanur forest area in Shivamogga district of Karnataka, zoonotic disease. The KFD virus belongs to the family Flaviviridae, which also includes yellow fever and dengue fever. Rodents, shrews, and monkeys are common hosts for KFDB after being bitten by an infected tick. The symptoms of the disease include a high fever with frontal headaches, followed by hemorrhagic symptoms such as bleeding from the nasal cavity, throat, and gums, as well as gastrointestinal bleeding. Vaccine is available. Q. Consider the following statements. 1. In tropical regions, Zika virus disease is transmitted by the same mosquito that transmits dengue. 2. Sexual transmission of Zika virus disease is possible. Which of the statements given above are correct? 2018. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer C. Q. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), the disease which causes the death of the largest number of people today is 1996. A. AIDS. B. Tuberculosis. C. Malaria. D. Ebola. Top killer diseases. Of the 56.9 million deaths worldwide in 2016, more than half, 54%, were due to the top 10 causes. Ischemic heart disease and stroke are the world's biggest killers, accounting for a combined 15.2 million deaths in 2016. Non-communicable diseases (NCDs), mainly cardiovascular diseases, chronic respiratory diseases, diabetes and cancer, continue to be the top killers in the Southeast Asia region, claiming 8.5 million lives each year, according to the World Health Organization (WHO). Non-communicable diseases (NCDs), also known as chronic diseases, tend to be of long duration and are the result of a combination of genetic, physiological, environmental and behavior factors. The main types of NCDs are cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and stroke cancers, chronic respiratory diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma and diabetes. In 2017, 10 million people fell ill with TB, and 1.6 million died from the disease, including 0.3 million among people with HIV. In 2017, there were an estimated 219 million cases of malaria in 87 countries, and the estimated number of malaria deaths stood at 435,000 in 2017. Expanded access to antiretroviral therapy, and a declining incidence of HIV infection have led to a steep fall globally in the number of adults and children dying from HIV-related causes. It is estimated 940,000 people died from HIV globally in 2017. Tuberculosis. TB is caused by bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, that most often affect the lungs. It is curable and preventable. It is spread from person to person through the air. About 1/4 of the world's population has latent TB, which means people have been infected by TB bacteria but are not yet ill with the disease and cannot transmit the disease. It mostly affects adults in their most productive years. However, all age groups are at risk. People who are infected with HIV are 20 to 30 times more likely to develop active TB. 8 countries accounted for 2/3 of the new TB cases: India, China, Indonesia, the Philippines, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, and South Africa. Multidrug-resistant tuberculosis (MDR-TB) is a form of TB caused by bacteria that do not respond to the most powerful first-line anti-TB drugs, isoniazid and rifampicin. MDR-TB is treatable and curable by using second-line drugs, bedaquiline and delamanid. According to the WHO guidelines, all injectables are to be replaced with a fully oral regimen with bedaquiline to treat MDR-TB patients. South Africa was the first country to scale up access to bedaquiline. It would replace the injectables for treating all MDR-TB patients. Extensively drug-resistant TB (XDR-TB) is a more serious form of MDR-TB caused by bacteria that do not respond to the most effective second-line anti-TB drugs, often leaving patients without any further treatment options. Worldwide, only 55% of MDR-TB patients are currently successfully treated. Top killer diseases. Q. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), the disease which causes the death of the largest number of people today is 1996. A. AIDS. B. Tuberculosis. C. Malaria. D. Ebola. Answer. B. Q. H1N1 virus is sometimes mentioned in the news with reference to which one of the following diseases? 2015. A. AIDS. B. Bird flu. C. Dengue. D. Swine flu. Influenza. Influenza, commonly known as the flu, is an infectious disease caused by an influenza virus. Symptoms can be mild to severe. The most common symptoms include high fever, runny nose, sore throat, muscle pains, headache, coughing, sneezing, and feeling tired. These symptoms typically begin 2 days after exposure to the virus and most last less than a week. The cough, however, may last for more than 2 weeks. In children, there may be diarrhea and vomiting, but these are not common in adults. Usually, the virus is spread through the air from coughs or sneezes. This is believed to occur mostly over relatively short distances. It can also be spread by touching surfaces contaminated by the virus and then touching the mouth or eyes. A person may be infectious to others both before and during the time they are showing symptoms. The infection may be confirmed by testing the throat, sputum, or nose for the virus. In virus classification, influenza viruses are RNA viruses that make up 4 of the 7 genera of the family of Myxoviridae. 1. Influenza virus A. 2. Influenza virus B. 3. Influenza virus C4. Influenza virus D. This genus has one species, influenza virus. While aquatic birds are the natural hosts for a large variety of influenza, occasionally, viruses are transmitted to other species and may then cause devastating outbreaks in domestic poultry or give rise to human influenza pandemics. The serotypes that have been confirmed in humans, ordered by the number of known human pandemic deaths, are H1N1, which caused Spanish flu in 1918, and swine flu in 2009, H2N2, which caused Asian flu in 1957, H3N2, which caused Hong Kong flu in 1968, H5N1, which caused bird flu in 2004, H7N7, which has unusual zoonotic potential, H1N2, endemic in humans, pigs and birds, and H7N9, responsible for an ongoing epidemic in China and currently has the greatest pandemic potential among the type of subtypes. Types of influenza. Influenza virus A. This genus has one species, influenza B virus. Influenza B almost exclusively infects humans and is less common than influenza. The only other animals known to be susceptible to influenza B infection are the seal and the ferret. Influenza virus B. 1. 2. This genus has one species, influenza C virus, which infects humans, dogs and pigs, sometimes causing both severe illness and local epidemics. However, influenza C is less common than the other types and usually only causes mild disease in children. Types of influenza. Influenza virus C. This genus has only one species, influenza D virus, which infects pigs and cattle. The virus has the potential to infect humans, although no such cases have been observed yet. This virus is currently not associated with any major epidemics. Influenza virus D. 3. 4. Bird flu 1. Avian influenza, known informally as avian flu or bird flu, is a variety of influenza caused by viruses adapted to birds. There are 2 circulating strains of avian influenza, i.e. H5N1 and H7N1. Both strains have pandemic potential, as there have been no human experience with either of the hemagglutinin, H5 or H7. Avian influenza, for most purposes, refers to the influenza virus as a zoonotic infection with a natural reservoir almost entirely in birds. Influenza A H5N1 is a high pathogenicity strain for poultry, meaning that many poultry become ill and many die. In contrast, A H7N9 is a low pathogenicity strain and poultry do not become sick. Influenza A H5N1 was first isolated from a goose in China in 1996. Human infections were first reported in 1997 in Hong Kong. H7N9 virus was first found in March 2013 in China. Since then, infections in both humans and birds have been observed. Most of the cases of human infection with this avian H7N9 virus have reported recent exposure to live poultry or potentially contaminated environments. This virus does not appear to transmit easily from person to person, and sustained human-to-human transmission has not been reported. Research has shown that they are highly contagious and can be reached in only a few mutations, raising concerns about a pandemic and bioterrorism. There are several H5N1 vaccines for several of the avian H5N1 varieties, but the continual mutation of H5N1 renders them of limited use to date. Swine flu 2. Swine flu is an infection caused by a virus. It's named for a virus that pigs can get. People do not normally get swine flu, but human infections can and do happen. In 2009, a strain of swine flu called H1N1 infected many people around the world. As of 2009, the known swine flu strains include influenza C and the subtypes of influenza known as H1N1, H1N2, H2N1, H3N1, H3N2, and H2N3. They infect the respiratory tract of pigs. Swine flu viruses may mutate, which makes them easily transmissible among humans. They could spread by airborne respiratory droplets, coughs or sneezes, by saliva, by touching a contaminated surface, by skin-to-skin contact. The virus is contagious and can spread from human to human. Symptoms of swine flu in people are similar to the symptoms of regular human flu and include fever, cough, sore throat, body aches, headache, chills, and fatigue. There are antiviral medicines you can take to prevent or treat swine flu. There is a vaccine available to protect against swine flu. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends the use of oseltamivir, Tamiflu, or zanamivir, Relenza for the treatment and or prevention of infection. Spanish flu 3. The outbreak of Spanish flu in 1918 is the history's worst known infectious disease. It is considered to be one of the global pandemics that causes death of 40 millions in 1918-1919 across the world. H1N1 is the strain that caused Spanish outbreak, which acquired the ability to infect humans and then to become transmissible among humans. The virus is easily passed from person to person through the air by droplets and small particles excreted when infected individuals cough or sneeze. The influenza virus enters the body through the nose or throat and takes between 1 to 4 days for the person to develop symptoms. Disease spreads very quickly among the population, especially in crowded circumstances. Cold and dry weather enables the virus to survive longer outside the body than in other conditions, and as a consequence, seasonal epidemics in temperate areas appear in winter. Q. H1N1 virus is sometimes mentioned in the news with reference to which one of the following diseases? 2015. A. AIDS. B. Bird flu. C. Dengue. D. Swine flu. Answer D. Q. Athlete's foot is a disease caused by 2001. A bacteria. B. Fungus. C. Protozoan. D. Nematode. Athlete's foot. Athlete's foot tinea pedis is a fungal infection that usually begins between the toes. It commonly occurs in people whose feet have become very sweaty while confined within tight-fitting shoes. Signs and symptoms of athlete's foot include a scaly rash that usually causes itching, stinging, and burning. Athlete's foot is caused by the same type of fungus that causes ringworm and jock itch. Damp socks and shoes in warm, humid conditions favor the organism's growth. Athlete's foot is contagious and can be spread by contact with an infected person or from contact with contaminated surfaces, such as towels, floors, and shoes. Disease source of infection symptoms effects. Jock itch fungus that can be spread from person to person or from shared use of contaminated towels or clothing. Itchy, red, often ring-shaped rashes in warm, moist areas of body. Affects the skin of your genitals, inner thighs and buttocks. Ringworm. Dermatophytosis using public showers, contact sports such as wrestling, excessive sweating, contact with animals, obesity, and poor immune function. Ringworm can spread from other animals or between people. It's called ringworm because it can cause a circular rash shaped like a ring that is usually red and itchy. Skin infection. Mycosis fungal infection of animals, including humans. Individuals being treated with antibiotics are at higher risk of fungal infections. Individuals with weakened immune systems are also at risk of developing. It happens when white blood cells called T cells grow out of control and move from the blood into the skin. This causes the rash, which can be itchy. Skin infection. Fungal infections. Q. Athlete's foot is a disease caused by 2001. A bacteria. B. Fungus. C. Protozoan. D. Nematode. Answer B. Disease cause symptoms. Cure. Vaccine. Diphtheria caused by K. Bacterium Corynebacterium diphtheria. Affects the mucous membranes of your nose and throat. It causes a sore throat, fever, swollen glands, and weakness. But the hallmark sign is a sheet of thick gray membrane covering your throat and tonsils. Available and included in mission. Indradhanush. Pertussis or whooping cough. Highly contagious respiratory disease. It is caused by the bacterium Bordetella pertussis. Uncontrollable, violent coughing which often makes it hard to breathe. Included in mission Indradhanush. Tetanus or lockjaw. Caused by bacterium Clostridium tetani. Stiffness of the neck, jaw, and other muscles, painful, involuntary contraction of other muscles. Curable and preventable by vaccine. Some other important diseases. Disease cause symptoms. Cure. Vaccine. Plague caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis and transmitted to humans by a rodent flea that is carrying the plague bacterium or by handling an animal infected with plague. Symptoms include swollen lymph nodes, which can be as large as chicken eggs, in the groin, armpit, or neck. They may be tender and warm. Others include fever, chills, headache, fatigue, and muscle aches. Treatment with strong antibiotics. Pneumonia lung infection can start with a bacterial, viral, or fungal infection. The most common bacterial type that causes pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumoniae. The first symptoms of pneumonia usually resemble those of a cold or flu. The person then develops a high fever, chills, and cough with sputum. Can be treated. Leprosy, Hansen's disease. Chronic infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium leprae. The disease mainly affects the skin, the peripheral nerves, mucosal surfaces of the upper respiratory tract, and the eyes. Included in National Leprosy Eradication Program. It is curable with multi-drug therapy (MDT). Treatment provided in the early disease cause symptoms. Cure. Vaccine. Measles, contagious disease caused by a virus. It spreads through air when infected. Person coughs or sneezes. Measles starts with a cough, runny nose, red eyes, and fever. Then a rash of tiny red spots breaks out. It starts at the head and spreads to the rest of the body. Included in mission Indradhanush. Rubella or German measles. Rubella is generally a mild infection, but has serious consequences if infection occurs in pregnant women, causing congenital rubella syndrome (CRS) caused by the rubella virus and spread through air. Rashes, swollen lymph nodes, fever, sore throat, and fatigue may also occur. In adults, joint pain is common. CRS is characterized by congenital anomalies in the fetus and newborns affecting the eyes, glaucoma, cataract, ears, hearing loss, brain, microcephaly, mental retardation, and heart defects. Rubella is preventable with the rubella vaccine, with a single dose being more than 95% effective. Often it is given in combination with the measles vaccine and mumps vaccine, known as the MMR vaccine. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below. 1997 list 2. A. Malaria 1, bone marrow. B. Filaria 2, brain. C. Encephalitis 3, muscle. D. Leukemia 4, lymph node 5, blood cells. Codes. A. A5, B3, C2, D1, B. A5, B4, C2, D1, C. A4, B3, C5, D1, D. A5, B4, C1, D2. Answer B. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the answer using the codes given below. 1998 list 2. Disease organism. A. Malaria 1, fungi. B. Poliomyelitis 2, bacteria. C. Tuberculosis 3, virus. D. Ringworm 4, protozoan. Codes. A. A4, B3, C2, D1, B. A4, B3, C1, D2, C. A3, B4, C1, D2, D. A3, B4, C2, D1. Answer A. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the answer using the codes. Match list I disease with list 2 types of disease and select the correct answer using the codes given below. 2000 list 2. A. Hemophilia 1, deficiency disease. B. Diabetes 2, genetic disease. C. Rickets 3, hormonal disorder. D. Ringworm 4, fungal infection. A. A2, B3, C4, D1, B. A2, B3, C1, D4, C. A3, B2, C1, D4, D. A3, B2, C4, D1. Answer B. Q. Which one of the following sets is correctly matched? 1995. 1. Diphtheria, pneumonia and leprosy. Hereditary. 2. AIDS, syphilis and gonorrhea. Bacterial. 3. Color blindness, hemophilia and sickle cell anemia. Sex linked. 4. Polio, Japanese. B. Encephalitis and plague. Viral. Select the correct code. A. Only 2. B. Only 3. C. 1 and 4 only. D. None of these. Answer C. Q. It begins as a single cell and grows into a merciless disease that claims millions of lives year after year. But scientists are steadily unlocking its mysteries, and the fight against it may now have reached a dramatic turning point. New discoveries promise better therapies and hope in cure against the disease referred to in the above quotation is 1995. A. Cancer. B. AIDS. C. Tuberculosis. D. Alzheimer's disease. Q. The nutritional deficiency condition that needs to be given top priority for remedial action in India today is 1996. A. Scurvy. B. Rickets. C. Xerophthalmia. D. Pellagra. Q. Below we have given a list of diseases commonly found in plants crops. Read about these diseases and find out the organism causing this disease and the crop plant affected. 1. Lake blight 7, Ticca. 2. Blast 8, Mosaic. 3. Binky top 9, red leaf. 4. Leaf curl 10, black arm. 5. Canker 11, red rot 6, smut 12, wilt. Prelim special. Previous year questions. Science and technology. Biotechnology. Questions from science and technology. Science and technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 20. Diseases in news 21. Biotechnology 23. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments. Artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16. Current affairs test series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQS. Detailed downloadable explanation comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Starting the 1st of April 2019. 1,499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Chapter subtopics. Biotechnology. Genetically modified crops. Cloning DNA fingerprinting. Stem cells are the latest technologies Q1 to 14. GM crops. Genetically modified organisms are the ones in which the genetic material, DNA, has been altered in such a way as to get the required quality. The technology is often called gene technology, or recombinant DNA technology, or genetic engineering, and the resulting organism is said to be genetically modified, genetically engineered, or transgenic. Farmers have widely adopted GM technology. Acreage increased from 1.7 million hectares in 1996 to 185.1 million hectares in 2016, some 12% of global cropland. In 1987, Plant Genetic Systems, Ghent, Belgium, founded by Mark Van Montague and Jeff Skell, was the first company to genetically engineer insect-resistant tobacco plants by incorporating genes that produce insecticidal proteins from Bacillus thuringiensis (BT). The first genetically modified crop approved for sale in the US in 1994 was the Flavsuver tomato. GM crops in India. India has the world's fifth largest GM crop acreage. The world order is USA, Brazil, Argentina, Canada, India. If that's not interesting enough, then let me add another fact on this. This rank is largely on the strength of BT cotton, the only genetically modified crop allowed in the country. At present, 96% of India's cotton cultivation area is under BT cotton crops. The main organization dealing with approval of GM crops in India. 1. Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, GEAC. GEAC is apex body under Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change for regulating manufacturing, use, import, export and storage of hazardous microorganisms or genetically engineered organisms, GMOs, and cells in the country. It is also responsible for giving technical approval of proposals relating to release of GMOs in products including experimental field trials. However, Environment Minister gives final approval for GMOs. 2. National Biodiversity Authority, NBA. National Biological Diversity Act 2002 has provisions to deal with the possible risks associated with the application of modern biotechnology. The apex body constituted under this act is National Biodiversity Authority, NBA. The NBA is autonomous body and that performs facilitative, regulatory and advisory function for Government of India on issue of conservation, sustainable use of biological resource and fair equitable sharing of benefits of use. Common GM crops, BT cotton. BT cotton was the first genetically modified crop to be approved for cultivation in India in 2002 with the introduction of Monsanto's GM cotton seeds. Monsanto is the same company which threatened to walk out of India early in 2016 when government stepped in to check its monopoly and cut its royalty by approximately 70%. Bacillus thuringiensis (BT) is a bacterium that occurs naturally in the soil and produces proteins that kill certain insects. Through biotechnology, scientists can use these naturally occurring BT proteins to develop insect-protected crops that protect against insect damage and destruction. BT cotton criticism. The seeds are more expensive than local, non-genetically modified varieties. The seeds cannot be reused and farmers need to buy new stock for every growing season. The diffusion of illegal BT hybrids that hadn't been cleared for biosafety standards, leading to fears of environmental toxicity. BT hybrids are unsuitable for rain-fed cotton lands. There were issues around the actual efficacy of the bollard seeds with reports of bollworm infestations even in BT cotton crops. An antitrust investigation was launched by the Competition Commission of India (CCI) into the seed pricing and around the royalty or trade fee paid to Mahiko Monsanto Biotech India. Common GM crops, BT brinjal. The genetically modified brinjal is a suite of transgenic brinjals, also known as an eggplant or aubergine, created by inserting a crystal protein gene, TRY1AC, from the soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis into the genome of various brinjal cultivars. This gives BT brinjal resistance against lepidopteran insects like the brinjal fruit and shoot borer, Lucinodes originalis, and fruit borer, Helicoverpa amigara. BT brinjal is being developed in India by MS Mahiko or Maharashtra Hybrid Seeds Company in collaboration with Monsanto. It was approved for commercialization in India in 2009, but after an apparent public outcry, the then Indian Environment Minister, Jairam Ramesh, facilitated a moratorium on its release until further unspecified tests were conducted. Criticism. BT brinjal poses risks to the environment and possibly to human health. The spread of the GEBT gene could result in the brinjal becoming an aggressive and problematic weed, the Greenpeace report suggests. The seeds of BT brinjal are terminator seeds and therefore, the farmers have to buy the seeds before every season from the seed companies. Common GM crops, DMH11 mustard. Dhara mustard HYBRID11, otherwise known as DMH11, is a genetically modified hybrid variety of the mustard species Brassica juncer. Mustard cannot be naturally hybridized because it is a self-pollinating plant having both male and female reproductive parts in a single flower. But researchers have created hybridized mustard using GM technology. It was created through transgenic technology by Professor of Delhi University, primarily involving K. Barney's and bastard gene system. The Barney's gene confers male sterility, while the bastard gene restores DMH11's ability to produce fertile seeds. The insertion of the third gene enables DMH11 to produce phosphinotrisin muscital transferase, the enzyme responsible for glufosinate resistance. The Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, GEAC, India's biotechnology regulator, has approved the environmental release and cultivation by farmers of DMH11. Benefits. Indigenously developed seeds. The patent remains with government, unlike with cotton it remains with corporates. India plans for food fortification to achieve SDG. This will help to achieving its goal. Yields are expected to rise by up to 30%. India imports 15 million tons of edible oils worth almost $11 billion annually. Mustard oil production from this variety of crop will save a lot on foreign exchange exchequer. Common GM crops, GM rice or golden rice. Golden rice is a variety of GM rice produced to biosynthesize beta-carotene, a precursor of provitamin A in the edible parts of rice, to be used as a fortified food to be grown in areas where there is a shortage of dietary vitamin A. Golden rice was created by transforming rice with two beta-carotene biosynthesis genes with PSY, phytosynthase, from Daffodil, Narcissus pseudonarcissus, and CRTL from the soil bacterium Erwinia herbivora. The International Rice Research Institute (IRRI) is currently coordinating the Golden Rice Network with other partners who have expertise in agriculture and nutrition to research and develop golden rice. In 2011, IRRI announced that Helen Keller International, a leading global health organization that reduces blindness and prevents malnutrition worldwide, was joining their golden rice project to further develop and evaluate it. GM maize. There are various variants of it. The most common is MON 863 created by Monsanto. MON 863 is a genetically engineered variety of maize produced by Monsanto. It is genetically altered to express a modified version of Tri3B flat1, a delta endotoxin which originates from Bacillus thuringiensis. This protects the plant from corn rootworm. Q. Insect-resistant cotton plants have been genetically engineered by inserting a gene from A and 2000. A virus. B. Bacterium. C. Insect. D. Plant answer. B. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001. A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annuloliquefantans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001. A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annuloliquefantans. D. Bacillus globuli. Answer. B. Q. Assertion A. Insect-resistant transgenic cotton has been produced by inserting BT gene. Reason R. The BT gene is derived from a bacterium. 1999. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. A. Q. MON 863 is a variety of maize. It was in the news for the following reason. 2010. It is a genetically modified dwarf variety which is resistant to drought. B. It is a genetically modified variety which is pest resistant. C. It is a genetically modified variety with 10 times higher protein content than regular maize crop. D. It is a genetically modified variety used exclusively for biofuel production. Answer. B. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001. A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annullificans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. With reference to the genetically modified mustard, GM mustard, developed in India, consider the following statements, 2018. 1. GM mustard has the genes of a soil bacterium that give the plant the property of pest resistance to a wide variety of pests. 2. GM mustard has the genes that allow the plant cross-pollination and hybridization. 3. GM mustard has been developed jointly by the IRI and Punjab Agricultural University. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 3 only, B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3 answer, B. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001, A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annullificans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. What are the reasons for the people's resistance to the introduction of Bt brinjal in India? 2012I. 1. Bt brinjal has been created by inserting a gene from a soil fungus into its genome. 2. The seeds of Bt brinjal are terminator seeds and therefore, the farmers have to buy the seeds before every season from the seed companies. 3. There is an apprehension that the consumption of Bt brinjal may have adverse impact on health. 4. There is some concern that the introduction of Bt brinjal may have adverse effect on them biodiversity. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1, 2 and 3 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 2, 3 and 4 only, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 answer, C. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001, A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annullificans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. A genetically engineered form of brinjal, known as the Bt brinjal, has been developed. The objective of this is 2011I. A. To make it pest resistant. B. To improve its taste and nutritive qualities. C. To make it drought resistant. D. To make its shelf life longer. Answer A. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001, A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annullificans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. Genetically modified golden rice has been engineered to meet human nutritional requirements. Which one of the following statements best qualifies golden rice? 2010. The grains have been fortified with genes to provide 3 times higher grain yield per acre than other high-yielding varieties. B. Its grains contain provitamin A which upon ingestion is converted to vitamin A in the human body. C. Its modified genes cause the synthesis of all the 9 essential amino acids. D. Its modified genes cause the fortification of its grains with vitamin D. Answer B. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001, A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annullificans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. Mycorrhizal biotechnology has been used in rehabilitating degraded sites because mycorrhiza enables the plants to 2013I. 1. Resist drought and increase absorptive area. 2. Tolerate extremes of pH 3. Resist disease infestation. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Agriculture biotechnology. Agricultural biotechnology, also known as agritech, is an area of agricultural science involving the use of scientific tools and techniques, including genetic engineering, molecular markers, molecular diagnostics, vaccines, and tissue culture to modify living organisms, plants, animals, and microorganisms. Crop biotechnology is one aspect of agricultural biotechnology which has been greatly developed upon in recent times. Desired trait are exported from a particular species of crop to an entirely different species. These transgene crops possess desirable characteristics in terms of flavor, color of flowers, growth rate, size of harvested products, and resistance to diseases and pests. Mycorrhizal biotechnology is a part of crop biotechnology where mycorrhizal fungi is introduced in crops to modify its characteristics. Mycorrhizal fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi acts as biofertilizer and are known to occur naturally on roots of forest trees and crop plants. Mycorrhizal fungi resist disease in plants. The plants also show drought and salinity resistance. Plants can tolerate adverse soil, pH, high temperature, and heavy metal toxicity. In soils low in available nutrients, there is an increased absorption of nutrients by plants infected with mycorrhiza. The fungus has the ability to dissolve and absorb phosphorus that plant roots cannot readily absorb. A wise way will be to develop an integrated nutrient supply system involving the combination of chemical fertilizer and biofertilizers. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001, A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annullificans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. Mycorrhizal biotechnology has been used in rehabilitating degraded sites because mycorrhiza enables the plants to 2013I. 1. Resist drought and increase absorptive area. 2. Tolerate extremes of pH 3. Resist disease infestation. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer D. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001, A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus annullificans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. Assertion A. Dolly was the first cloned mammal. Reason R. Dolly was produced by in vitro fertilization. 1999. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Cloning. Cloning is the process of producing genetically identical individuals of an organism either naturally or artificially. In nature, many organisms produce clones through asexual reproduction. Cloning in biotechnology refers to the process of creating clones of organisms or copies of cells or DNA fragments, molecular cloning. Beyond biology, the term refers to the production of multiple copies of digital media or software. The term clone, invented by J.B.S. Haldane, is derived from the ancient Greek word meaning twig, referring to a process whereby a new plant can be created from a twig. Cloning is a natural form of reproduction that has allowed life forms to spread for hundreds of millions of years. It is the reproduction method used by plants, fungi, and bacteria, and is also the way the clonal colonies reproduce themselves. In the case of unicellular organisms such as bacteria and yeast, this process is remarkably simple and essentially only requires the inoculation of the appropriate medium. Organism cloning, also called reproductive cloning, refers to the procedure of creating a new multicellular organism genetically identical to another. In essence, this form of cloning is an asexual method of reproduction, where fertilization or intergamete contact does not take place. Asexual reproduction is a naturally occurring phenomenon in many species, including most plants and some insects. Artificial cloning. In 1928, he and his student, Hill Mangold, were the first to perform somatic cell nuclear transfer using amphibian embryos, one of the first steps towards cloning. Reproductive cloning generally uses somatic cell nuclear transfer (SCNT) to create animals that are genetically identical. This process entails the transfer of a nucleus from a donor adult cell, somatic cell, to an egg from which the nucleus has been removed, or to a cell from a blastocyst from which the nucleus has been removed. If the egg begins to divide normally, it is transferred into the uterus of the surrogate mother. Such clones are not strictly identical since the somatic cells may contain mutations in their nuclear DNA. Additionally, the mitochondria in the cytoplasm also contains DNA, and during SCNT, this mitochondrial DNA is wholly from the cytoplasmic donor's egg. Thus, the mitochondrial genome is not the same as that of the nucleus donor cell from which it was produced. List of cloned animals. First mammal. Dolly, a Findositieu, was the first mammal to have been successfully cloned from an adult somatic cell. Dolly was formed by taking a cell from the udder of a 6-year-old biological mother. Dolly's embryo was created by taking the cell and inserting it into a sheep ovum. It took 434 attempts before an embryo was successful. The embryo was then placed inside a female sheep that went through a normal pregnancy. She was cloned at the Roslin Institute in Scotland by British scientists Sir Ian Wilmot and Keith Campbell and lived there from her birth in 1996 until her death in 2003 when she was 6. Others. Injaz, a cloned female dromedary camel, was born in 2009 at the Camel Reproduction Center in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. In 2001, scientists at Texas A&M University created the first clone cat, CC Copycat. In 2004, the first commercially cloned cat, Little Nicky, was created by Genetic Savings and Clone. Gene, the first clone calf in the world, was born in 1997 at the American Breeders' Service Facilities, United States. Samripa, the world's first Mora buffalo, a type of water buffalo, calf cloned using a simple, hand-guided cloning technique, was born in 2009 at National Dairy Research Institute, NDRI, Karnal, India. The American multinational company, Monsanto, has produced an insect-resistant cotton variety that is undergoing field trials in India. A toxic gene from which one of the following bacteria has been transferred to this transgenic cotton. 2001, a Bacillus subtilis. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Bacillus enololicifantans. D. Bacillus globuli. Q. Assertion A. Dolly was the first cloned mammal. Reason R. Dolly was produced by in vitro fertilization. 1999. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer A. Q. Assertion A. DNA fingerprinting has become a powerful tool to establish paternity and identity of criminals in rape and assault cases. Reason R. Trace evidences such as hairs, saliva and dried semen are adequate for DNA analysis. 2000. Codes. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Q. Which one of the following techniques can be used to establish the paternity of a child? 1997. A. Protein analysis. B. Chromosome counting. C. Quantitative analysis of DNA. D. DNA fingerprinting. Q. Which of the following features of DNA makes it uniquely suited to store and transmit genetic information from generation to generation? 2001. A complementary of the two strands. B. Double helix. C. Number of base pairs per turn. D. Sugar phosphate backbone. DNA fingerprinting. DNA. Nucleus contains thread-like structures called chromosomes. These carry genes and help in inheritance or transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. The chromosomes can be seen only when the cell divides. Gene is a unit of inheritance in living organisms. It controls the transfer of a hereditary characteristic from parents to offspring. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. Chromosomes contain information for inheritance of features from parents to next generation in the form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid molecules. Functional segments of DNA are called genes. Nucleic acids are responsible for the transfer of characters from parents to offsprings. There are two types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Both DNA and RNA contain adenine, guanine and cytosine. The fourth base is thymine in DNA and uracil in RNA. The structure of DNA is a double strand helix, whereas RNA is a single strand molecule. The DNA backbone is resistant to cleavage, and both strands of the double-stranded structure store the same biological information. Biological information is replicated as the two strands are separated. Ribonucleic acid RNA is implicated in various biological rules encoding, decoding, regulation, and expression of genes. There are three types of RNA, mRNA, rRNA, and tRNA which actually carry out the protein. DNA fingerprinting. It is known that every individual has unique fingerprints. These occur at the tips of the fingers and have been used for identification for a long time, but these can be altered by surgery. A sequence of bases on DNA is also unique for a person, and information regarding this is called DNA fingerprinting. It is same for every cell and cannot be altered by any known treatment. Blood, bones, hair with root, saliva, semen, teeth, and tissue can be used to study the DNA. DNA fingerprinting is now used. I. In forensic laboratories for identification of criminals. E. To determine paternity of an individual. E. To identify the dead bodies in any accident by comparing the DNAs of parents or children. IV. To identify racial groups to rewrite biological evolution. Procedure of DNA fingerprinting. Making a DNA profile. Isolation of DNA. DNA must be recovered from the cells or tissues of the body. Only a small amount of tissue, like blood, saliva, semen, hair, or skin. Cutting, sizing, and sorting. Special enzymes called restriction enzymes are used to cut the DNA at specific places. The DNA pieces are sorted according to size by a sieving technique called electrophoresis. The DNA pieces are passed through a gel made from seaweed agarose. Transfer of DNA to nylon. The distribution of DNA pieces is transferred to a nylon sheet by placing the sheet on the gel and soaking them overnight. Probing. Adding radioactive or colored probes to the nylon sheet produces a pattern called the DNA fingerprint. Each probe typically sticks in only one or two specific places on the nylon sheet. DNA fingerprint. The final DNA fingerprint is built by using several probes, 5 to 10 or more, simultaneously. The segments marked with Q. Assertion A. DNA fingerprinting has become a powerful tool to establish paternity and identity of criminals in rape and assault cases. Reason R. Trace evidences such as hairs, saliva, and dried semen are adequate for DNA analysis. 2000. Codes. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer A. Q. Which one of the following techniques can be used to establish the paternity of a child? 1997. A. Protein analysis. B. Chromosome counting. C. Quantitative analysis of DNA. D. DNA fingerprinting. Answer D. Q. Which of the following features of DNA makes it uniquely suited to store and transmit genetic information from generation to generation? 2001. A complementary of the two strands. B. Double helix. C. Number of base pairs per turn. D. Sugar phosphate backbone. Answer B. Try yourself. Q. Which of the following professionals are more likely to run the risk of a permanent change in their cell's DNA? 1996. 1. Researchers using carbon-14 isotope. 2. X-ray technician. 3. Coal miner. 4. Dyer and painter. Select the correct answer by using the codes given below. Codes. A. 2 alone. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 1, 2 and 4. D. 1, 3 and 4. Prelim special. Previous year questions. Science and technology. Biotechnology. Questions from science and technology. Science and technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 20 diseases in news 21. Biotechnology 23. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments. Artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16. Chapter subtopics. Biotechnology. Genetically modified crops. Cloning, DNA fingerprinting. Stem cells are the latest technologies. Q15 to 23. Q. With reference to the latest developments in stem cell research, consider the following statements. 2002. 1. The only source of human stem cells are the embryos at blastocyst stage. 2. The stem cells can be derived without causing destruction to blastocysts. 3. The stem cells can regenerate themselves in vitro virtually forever. 4. Indian research centers also created a few cell lines which can be developed into many types of tissues. Which of these statements are correct? 1, 2 and 4, B, 1, 2 and 3, C, 1, 2 and 4, D, 3 and 4, Q. With reference to stem cells, frequently in the news, which of the following statements is correct? 2012 I. 1. Stem cells can be derived from mammals only. 2. Stem cells can be used for screening new drugs. 3. Stem cells can be used for medical therapies. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 3 only. D, 1, 2 and 3. Stem cells. Stem cells are a class of undifferentiated cells that are able to differentiate into specialized cell types and divide to produce more cells. Although unable to serve any function, their significance lies in their ability to differentiate, develop into specialized mature cells such as skin, bone, muscle cells, etc. Two main sources. 1. Embryonic stem cells that are derived from a 4 or 5-day-old human embryo that is in the blastocyst phase of development. The embryos are usually extras that have been created in IVF, in vitro fertilization clinics where several eggs are fertilized in a test tube, but only one is implanted into a woman. 2. Adult tissue, adult stem cells exist throughout the body and are found in tissues such as brain, bone, marrow, liver, and blood. They remain in a non-dividing state for long until activated by disease or tissue injury. Placenta and umbilical cord are also rich sources of stem cells and are collected after the birth of a baby. They are a type of non-embryonic stem cells. Banking stem cells from the placenta in addition to those found in cord blood significantly increases the number of prenatal stem cells that are collected and preserved. This is placental banking. Potency. Potency specifies the differentiation potential, the potential to differentiate into different cell types of the stem cell. Totipotent or omnipotent stem cells can differentiate into embryonic and extra-embryonic cell types. Such cells can in theory construct a complete, viable organism. These cells are produced from the fusion of an egg and sperm cell. Cells produced by the first few divisions of the fertilized egg are also totipotent. Pluripotent stem cells are the descendants of totipotent cells and can differentiate into nearly all cells, i.e. cells derived from any of the three germ layers that are present in an organism. Multipotent stem cells can differentiate into a number of cell types, but only those of a closely related family of cells. Oligopotent stem cells can differentiate into only a few cell types, such as lymphoid or myeloid stem cells. Unipotent cells can only produce their own type, but have the property of self-renewal, which distinguishes them from non-stem cells, e.g. progenitor cells, muscle stem cells. Stem cell in India. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, all stem cell therapy in India is considered to be experimental except bone marrow transplants. Stem cell therapy is legalized in India. Umbilical cord and adult stem cell treatment are considered permissible, but the embryonic stem cell therapy and research is restricted. Treatment of conditions and disorders like Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, cancer, diabetes, and many others. A better knowledge of human growth. It helps the researchers know more about the growth of human cells and their development. The stem cell research can allow the scientists to test a number of potential medicines and drugs cure development defects before they happen, reduce risk of rejection. The stem cell therapy puts into use the cells of the patient's own body and hence the risk of rejection can be reduced. Advantages. Destruction of blastocysts. The use of the stem cells for research involves the destruction of the blastocysts that are formed from the laboratory fertilization of the human egg. Unknown side effects. Like any other new technology, it is completely unknown what the long-term effects of such an interference with nature could be. Limitations of adult cells. The disadvantage of adult stem cells is that the cells of a particular origin would generate cells only of that type, like brain cells would generate only brain cells and so on. Potential rejection. If the cells used in the therapy are embryonic, then the cells will not be from the same human body and there are chances of rejection. Potential use in negative activities. It can be used to create bioweapons or weapons of mass destruction. Challenges. Q. With reference to the latest developments in stem cell research, consider the following statements. 2002. 1. The only source of human stem cells are the embryos at blastocyst stage. 2. The stem cells can be derived without causing destruction to blastocysts. 3. The stem cells can regenerate themselves in vitro virtually forever. 4. Indian research centers also created a few cell lines which can be developed into many types of tissues. Which of these statements are correct? 1, 2 and 4, B, 1, 2 and 3, C, 1, 2 and 4, D, 3 and 4 answer, DQ, with reference to stem cells, frequently in the news, which of the following statements is correct? 2012 I. 1. Stem cells can be derived from mammals only. 2. Stem cells can be used for screening new drugs. 3. Stem cells can be used for medical therapies. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 3 only. D, 1, 2 and 3 answer, B. Q. Which of the following types is used by computed tomography employed for visualization of the internal structure of human body? 2007. A. X-ray. B. Sound waves. C. Magnetic resonance. D. Radioisotopes. Computed tomography. Computed tomography (CT) is an imaging procedure that uses special X-ray equipment to create detailed pictures or scans of areas inside the body. It is also called computerized tomography and computerized axial tomography (CAT). The term tomography comes from the Greek words tomos, a cut, a slice, or a section, and graphein, to write or record. The term computed tomography (CT) is often used to refer to X-ray CT because it is the most commonly known form. But many other types of CT exist, such as positron emission tomography (PET) and single photon emission computed tomography (SPECT). X-ray tomography, a predecessor of CT, is one form of radiography along with many other forms of tomographic and non-tomographic radiography. Each picture created during a CT procedure shows the organs, bones, and other tissues in a thin slice of the body. The entire series of pictures produced in CT is like a loaf of sliced bread. You can look at each slice individually, two-dimensional pictures, or you can look at the whole loaf, a three-dimensional picture. It is used to create detailed images of internal organs, bones, soft tissue, and blood vessels. The radiation used in CT scans can damage body cells, including DNA molecules, which can lead to radiation-induced cancer. The radiation doses received from CT scans is variable. Compared to the lowest dose X-ray techniques, CT scans can have 100 to 1000 times higher dose than conventional X-rays. Medical imaging. Medical imaging is the technique and process of creating visual representations of the interior of a body for clinical analysis and medical intervention, as well as visual representation of the function of some organs or tissues. Physiology. Medical imaging seeks to reveal internal structures hidden by the skin and bones, as well as to diagnose and treat disease. It is part of biological imaging and incorporates radiology, which uses the imaging technologies of X-ray radiography, magnetic resonance imaging, medical ultrasonography or ultrasound, endoscopy, elastography, tactile imaging, thermography, medical photography, and nuclear medicine. Functional imaging techniques is positron emission tomography (PET) and single photon emission computed tomography (SPECT). Other medical imaging techniques. Fluoroscopy. Fluoroscopy is an imaging technique that uses X-rays to obtain real-time moving images of the interior of an object. In its primary application of medical imaging, a fluoroscope allows a physician to see the internal structure and function of a patient so that the pumping action of the heart or the motion of swallowing, for example, can be watched. This is useful for both diagnosis and therapy and occurs in general radiology, interventional radiology, and image-guided surgery. MRI. Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) is a medical imaging technique used in radiology to form pictures of the anatomy and the physiological processes of the body in both health and disease. MRI scanners use strong magnetic fields, magnetic field gradients, and radio waves to generate images of the organs in the body. MRI does not involve X-rays or the use of ionizing radiation, which distinguishes it from CT or CAT scans and PET scans. In clinical and research MRI, hydrogen atoms are most often used to generate a detectable radio frequency signal that is received by antennas in close proximity to the anatomy being examined. Hydrogen atoms are naturally abundant in people and other biological organisms, particularly in water and fat. For this reason, most MRI scans essentially map the location of water and fat in the body. EEG. Electroencephalography (EEG) is an electrophysiological monitoring method to record electrical activity of the brain. It is typically non-invasive, with the electrodes placed along the scalp, although invasive electrodes are sometimes used, as in electrocorticography. EEG measures voltage fluctuations resulting from ionic current within the neurons of the brain. EEG is most often used to diagnose epilepsy, which causes abnormalities in EEG readings. It is also used to diagnose sleep disorders, depth of anesthesia, coma, encephalopathies, and brain death. In 1875, Richard Caton (1842–1926), a physician practicing in Liverpool, presented his findings about electrical phenomena of the exposed cerebral hemispheres of rabbits and monkeys in the British Medical Journal. In 1912, Ukrainian physiologist Vladimir Vladimirovich published the first animal EEG and the evoked potential of the mammalian dog. German physiologist and psychiatrist Hans Berger (1873–1941) recorded the first human EEG in 1924. ECG. Electrocardiography is the process of producing an electrocardiogram (ECG), a recording a graph of voltage versus time of the electrical activity of the heart using electrodes placed on the skin. These electrodes detect the small electrical changes that are a consequence of cardiac muscle depolarization followed by depolarization during each cardiac cycle heartbeat. There are three main components to an ECG: the P wave, which represents the depolarization of the atria; the QRS complex, which represents the depolarization of the ventricles; and the T wave, which represents the repolarization of the ventricles. Other medical imaging techniques. Medical ultrasonography uses high-frequency broadband sound waves in the megahertz range that are reflected by tissue to varying degrees to produce up to 3D images. This is commonly associated with imaging the fetus in pregnant women. Uses of ultrasound are much broader, however. Other important uses include imaging the abdominal organs, heart, breast, muscles, tendons, arteries and veins. It has several advantages which make it ideal in numerous situations, in particular that it studies the function of moving structures in real time amidst no ionizing radiation and contains speckles that can be used in elastography. Q. Which of the following types is used by computed tomography employed for visualization of the internal structure of human body? 2007. A. X-ray. B. Sound waves. C. Magnetic resonance. D. Radioisotopes. Answer A. Q. Endoscopy, a technique used to explore the stomach or other inner parts of the body as seen in the phenomenon of 1999. A total internal reflection. B. Interference. C. Diffraction. D. Polarization. Endoscopy. An endoscopy is a procedure where the inside of your body is examined using an instrument called an endoscope. Endoscopes can be inserted into the body through a natural opening, such as the mouth and down the throat, or through the bottom. Other types of endoscopies used to investigate symptoms include bronchoscopy, used to examine the airways if you have a persistent cough or you are coughing up blood. Hysteroscopy, used to examine the inside of the womb, uterus, if there are problems such as unusual vaginal bleeding or repeated miscarriages. Cystoscopy, used to examine the inside of the bladder if there are problems such as urinary incontinence or blood in your urine. Endoscopic ultrasound, used to create images of internal organs, such as the pancreas, and take tissue samples. It differs from other medical imaging techniques as something is inserted in the body here unlike previously studied techniques. Working of endoscope. An endoscope is an instrument used by doctors, has a bundle of optical fibers which are used with lenses to see inside the patient's body. Endoscopes work on total internal reflection phenomenon. Total internal reflection happens when a propagating wave strikes a medium boundary at an angle larger than a particular critical angle. 1. One of the two main endoscope cables carries light from a bright lamp in the operating room into the body, illuminating the cavity where the endoscope has been inserted. 2. The light bounces along the walls of the cable into the patient's body cavity. 3. The diseased or injured part of the patient's body is illuminated by the light shining in. 4. Light reflected off the body part travels back up a separate fiber optic cable, bouncing off the glass walls as it goes. 5. The light shines into the physician's eyepiece so he or she can see what's happening inside the patient's body. Q. Endoscopy, a technique used to explore the stomach or other inner parts of the body as seen in the phenomenon of 1999. A total internal reflection. B. Interference. C. Diffraction. D. Polarization. Answer A. Q. Recently, LASIK laser-assisted in situ keratinolysis procedure is being made popular for vision correction. Which one of the following statements in this context is not correct? 2010. A LASIK procedure is used to correct refractive errors of the eye. B. It is a procedure that permanently changes the shapes of the cornea. C. It reduces a person's dependence on glasses or contact lenses. D. It is a procedure that can be done on the person of any age. LASIK. LASIK is the most commonly performed laser eye surgery to treat refractive eye errors. Refractive errors are optical imperfections that prevent the eye from properly focusing light, causing blurred vision. The primary refractive errors are myopia or nearsightedness, hypermetropia or farsightedness and astigmatism. The word LASIK is an acronym for laser-assisted in situ keratinolysis. Like other types of refractive surgery, the LASIK procedure reshapes the cornea to enable light entering the eye to be properly focused onto the retina for clearer vision. LASIK surgery is essentially pain-free and takes only about 15 minutes for both eyes. The results: improved vision without eyeglasses or contact lenses, begin immediately after the procedure and vision usually continues to improve and stabilize over a few days. It is not recommended to be performed for persons below 18 years of age as until this time, a person's prescription may be still changing. Having a stable prescription for at least 2 years is often required as proof before anyone, young or old, is deemed a good LASIK candidate. Q. Recently, LASIK laser-assisted in situ keratinolysis procedure is being made popular for vision correction. Which one of the following statements in this context is not correct? 2010. A LASIK procedure is used to correct refractive errors of the eye. B. It is a procedure that permanently changes the shapes of the cornea. C. It reduces a person's dependence on glasses or contact lenses. D. It is a procedure that can be done on the person of any age. Answer D. Q. In the context of the developments in bioinformatics, the term transcriptome, sometimes seen in the news, refers to 2016. A. A range of enzymes used in genome editing. B. The full range of mRNA molecules expressed by an organism. C. The description of the mechanism of gene expression. D. A mechanism of genetic mutations taking place in cells. Q. At present, scientists can determine the arrangement or relative positions of genes or DNA sequence in a chromosome. How does this knowledge benefit us? 2011 I. 1. It is possible to know the pedigree of livestock. 2. It is possible to understand the causes of human diseases. 3. It is possible to develop disease-resistant animal breeds. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that develops methods and software tools for understanding biological data. Historically, the term bioinformatics did not mean what it means today. Paulian Hoveweg and Ben Hesper coined it in 1970 to refer to the study of information processes in biotic systems. Bioinformatics also tries to understand the organizational principles within nucleic acid and protein sequences, called proteomics. Common activities in bioinformatics include mapping and analyzing DNA and protein sequences, aligning DNA and protein sequences to compare them, and creating and viewing 3D models of protein structures. Genome. A genome is the genetic material of an organism. The genome includes both the genes, the coding regions, and the non-coding DNA, as well as mitochondrial DNA and chloroplast DNA. The study of the genome is called genomics. A genome sequence is the complete list of the nucleotides A, C, G, and T for DNA genomes that make up all the chromosomes of an individual or a species. DNA was first sequenced in 1977. The first free living organism to have its genome completely sequenced was the bacterium Haemophilus influenza in 1995. In 1996, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Baker's yeast, was the first eukaryote genome sequence to be released, and in 1998, the first genome sequence for a multicellular eukaryote, Sinohabitus elegans, was released. It uses shotgun sequencing, which involves sequencing random DNA strands. Transcriptome. It refers to the set of all RNA molecules from protein coding mRNA to non-coding RNA, including rRNA, tRNA, LNCRNA, pre-mRNA, and others. Transcriptome may apply to an entire organism or a specific cell type. Transcriptomics techniques include microarrays and next-generation sequencing technologies called RNA-seq. Transcription can also be studied at the level of individual cells by single-cell transcriptomics. Unlike the genome, which is roughly fixed for a given cell line, excluding mutations, the transcriptome can vary with external environmental conditions. The transcriptomes of stem cells and cancer cells are of particular interest to researchers who seek to understand the processes of cellular differentiation and carcinogenesis. Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project (HGP) was an international scientific research project with the goal of determining the sequence of nucleotide base pairs that make up human DNA and of identifying and mapping all of the genes of the human genome from both a physical and a functional standpoint. It remains the world's largest collaborative biological project. After the idea was picked up in 1984 by the US government when the planning started, the project formally launched in 1990 and was declared complete on April 14, 2003. Most of the government-sponsored sequencing was performed in 20 universities and research centers in the United States, the United Kingdom, Japan, France, Germany, and China. 4. The sequencing of the human genome holds benefits for many fields, from molecular medicine to human evolution. The Human Genome Project, through its sequencing of the DNA, can help us understand diseases including genotyping of specific viruses to direct appropriate treatment, identification of mutations linked to different forms of cancer, the design of medication and more accurate prediction of their effects, advancement in forensic applied sciences, biofuels and other energy applications, agriculture, understand the genome of livestock and develop genetically modified organisms, etc. Key findings. There are approximately 22,300 protein coding genes in human beings, the same range as in other mammals. The human genome has significantly more segmental duplications, nearly identical, repeated sections of DNA. Fewer than 7% of protein families appear to be vertebrate specific. Latest initiatives. Human Genome Write 1. The Genome Project RIGHT, also known as GP-RIGHT, includes sub-projects like Human Genome Project RIGHT (HGP RIGHT), formally announced on the 2nd of June 2016, is an extension of genome projects aimed at reading genomes since 1984, now to include development of technologies for synthesis and testing of many genomes of microbes, plants and animals. HGP RIGHT will be implemented through a new, independent non-profit organization, the Center of Excellence for Engineering Biology. Potential applications include growing transplantable human organs and engineering immunity to viruses in cell lines via genome-wide recoding. Other potential benefits include engineering cancer resistance into new therapeutic cell lines and accelerating high productivity, cost-efficient vaccine and pharmaceutical development using human cells and organoids. Earth Biogenome Project 2. The Earth Biogenome Project aims to sequence the genomes of the roughly 1.5 million known animal, plant, protozoan and fungal species collectively known as eukaryotes. The Earth Biogenome Project (EBP) is an international consortium of scientists. The EBP project will help to create a detailed genetic sequence and reveal evolutionary connections among genus, orders and families that will make up the digital library of life. The project will characterize the genomes of all of Earth's eukaryotic biodiversity over a period of 10 years. It was officially launched in London with an estimated cost of $4.7 billion United States dollars. The Earth Biogenome Project aims at creating a new foundation for biology, informing a broad range of major issues facing humanity, such as the impact of climate change on biodiversity, the conservation of endangered species and ecosystems, and the preservation and enhancement of ecosystem services. The project could also lead to discovery of more drugs and let researchers find more sources of food as well. Partners of EBP: Africa, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, the European Union and United States, Global Genome Biodiversity Network, the Global Invertebrate Genomics Alliance, the I5K Initiative to sequence 5,000 arthropod genome and Genome 10K project. World Economic Forum is also collaborating with EGP through its fourth industrial revolution for the Earth Initiative, under which they are developing Earth Bank codes. 100K Genome Asia Project 3. It is a mission-driven non-profit consortium collaborating to sequence and analyze 100,000 Asian individuals' genomes to help accelerate Asian population-specific medical advances and precision medicine. Genomics 100K has assembled a team of leading bioinformaticians and scientists in the field of population genetics. These experts will define the strategy for approaching the sizable project of sequencing 100,000 genomes. The first stage aims to sequence 10,000 Asian individuals for ethnic stratification. This will be followed by sequencing an additional 90,000 individuals and combined with clinical and phenotype information to allow deeper analysis of disease and healthy individuals. MedGenome and NTU Singapore are founding partners of this initiative. 1000K Genome Project 4. It aims to sequence the genomes of 100,000 infectious microorganisms to create a database of bacterial genome sequences for use in public health, outbreak detection, and bacterial pathogen detection. This will speed up the diagnosis of foodborne illnesses and shorten infectious disease outbreaks. The 100K Genome Project will provide a roadmap for developing tests to identify pathogens and trace their origins more quickly. 5 Genome India Project (IIC). Professor Anurag Kumar, Director, IIC, announced the launch of the Genome India initiative to sequence thousands of Indian individuals in order to unravel details of the Indian genome. Whole genome sequencing (WGS) of over 2,000 individuals spanning different ethnic, linguistic, and socio-cultural sections of the northeastern states will be carried out as part of the Genome India project. The IBSD is a national institute of the Department of Biotechnology and it will be actively collaborating with the Genome India initiative undertaken by the Center for Brain Research at the Indian Institute of Science (IIC). CSIR United Tape 6. In an indigenous genetic mapping effort, nearly 1,000 rural youth from the length and breadth of India will have their genomes sequenced by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR). It would involve the Hyderabad-based Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology (CCMB). The project is an adjunct to a much larger government-led program, still in the works, to sequence at least 10,000 Indian genomes. Methodology: genomes will be sequenced based on a blood sample and the scientists plan to hold at least 30 camps covering most states. Typically, those recruited as part of genome sample collections are representative of the country's population diversity. The bulk of them will be college students, both men and women, and pursuing degrees in the life sciences or biology. Every person whose genomes are sequenced will be given a report. The participants will be told if they carry gene variants that make them less responsive to certain classes of medicines. Important term: gene expression. Gene expression is the process by which DNA is used to make proteins, which then go on to perform various important functions in the body. The protein could be an enzyme, hormone, or receptor, for example. The process of gene expression includes the following steps. Transcription. Transcription is the process by which a segment of DNA is used to generate an RNA template. The DNA segment is read by an enzyme called RNA polymerase, which produces a strand of RNA that is complementary to the DNA. In this complementary RNA strand, all thymine bases are replaced by uracil. Processing this primary RNA transcript is then modified to convert it into mature messenger RNA (mRNA) that can be used in translation. The mRNA undergoes splicing to remove the non-coding parts of the transcript introns so that only the coding sections exons remain. Non-coding RNA maturation. Non-coding regions of RNA (ncRNA) are transcribed as precursors which are then processed further. For example, these regions may be transcribed as pre-ribosomal RNA, pre-rRNA, which then undergoes cleavage to become ribosomal RNA, rRNA. RNA export. The majority of mature RNA is then transported from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Although some RNAs function in the nucleus, most are carried through pores in the nucleus into the cytosol, including all RNAs involved in protein synthesis. Translation. The final mRNA carries the information needed to code for proteins. Every 3 base pairs on the mRNA corresponds to a binding site for a transfer RNA tRNA, which carries an amino acid. The amino acids are then linked together in a chain by a ribosome to create a rudimentary protein chain. Q. In the context of the developments in bioinformatics, the term transcriptome, sometimes seen in the news, refers to 2016. A range of enzymes used in genome editing. B. The full range of mRNA molecules expressed by an organism. C. The description of the mechanism of gene expression. D. A mechanism of genetic mutations taking place in cells. Answer B. Q. At present, scientists can determine the arrangement or relative positions of genes or DNA sequence in a chromosome. How does this knowledge benefit us? 2011 I. 1. It is possible to know the pedigree of livestock. 2. It is possible to understand the causes of human diseases. 3. It is possible to develop disease-resistant animal breeds. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer D. Q. With reference to the treatment of cancerous tumors, a tool called CyberKnife has been making news. In this context, which one of the following statements is not correct? 2010. It is a robotic image-guided system. B. It delivers an extremely precise dose of radiation. C. It has the capability of achieving sub-millimeter accuracy. D. It can map the spread of tumor in the body. CyberKnife. The CyberKnife system is a radiation therapy device manufactured by Accuray Incorporated. The CyberKnife VSI robotic radiosurgery system is a non-invasive alternative to surgery for the treatment of both cancerous and non-cancerous tumors anywhere in the body, including the prostate, lung, brain, spine, liver, pancreas, and kidney. It delivers high doses of precisely targeted radiation to destroy tumors or lesions within the body. It uses a robotic arm to deliver highly focused beams of radiation. A lightweight linear accelerator, commonly abbreviated as LINAC, is involved with a robotic arm ensuring view from different angles. The system is used to deliver radiosurgery for the treatment of benign tumors, malignant tumors, and other medical conditions. The device combines a compact linear accelerator mounted on a robotic manipulator and an integrated image guidance system. The system was invented by John R. Adler, a Stanford University professor of neurosurgery and radiation oncology, and Peter and Russell Schoenberg of Schoenberg Research Corporation. The first system was installed at Stanford University in 1991 and was cleared by the FDA for clinical investigation in 1994. Advantage: the CyberKnife system can treat moving tumors with pinpoint accuracy, which is unmatched by other radiosurgery systems. Q. With reference to the treatment of cancerous tumors, a tool called CyberKnife has been making news. In this context, which one of the following statements is not correct? 2010. It is a robotic image-guided system. B. It delivers an extremely precise dose of radiation. C. It has the capability of achieving sub-millimeter accuracy. D. It can map the spread of tumor in the body. Answer D. Q. Hybridoma technology is a new biotechnological approach for commercial production of 2000. Monoclonal antibodies. B. Interferon. C. Antibiotics. D. Alcohol. Hybridoma technology. Hybridoma technology is a method for producing large numbers of identical antibodies, also called monoclonal antibodies. This process starts by injecting a mouse or other mammal with an antigen that provokes an immune response. A type of white blood cell, the B cell, produces antibodies that bind to the injected antigen. These newly produced antibodies are then harvested from the mouse. These isolated B cells are in turn fused with immortal B cell cancer cells, a myeloma, to produce a hybrid cell line called a hybridoma, which has both the antibody-producing ability of the B cell and the exaggerated longevity and reproductivity of the myeloma. The production of monoclonal antibodies was invented by Sesamilstein and George J. F. Kohler in 1975. They shared the Nobel Prize of 1984 for medicine and physiology with Niels Kaiser, whom their contributions to immunology. The term hybridoma was coined by Leonard Herzenberg during his sabbatical in Sesamilstein's laboratory in 1976-1977. Important terms: antibiotics. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease-causing microorganisms. These days, a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are some of the commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was working on a culture of disease-causing bacteria, Staphylococcus. Suddenly, he found the spores of a little green mold, Penicillium notatum, in one of his culture plates. He observed that the presence of mold prevented the growth of bacteria. In fact, it also killed many of these bacteria. From this, the mold penicillin, the first antibiotic, was prepared. Interferon. Interferons IFNs are a group of signaling proteins made and released by host cells in response to the presence of several viruses. In a typical scenario, a virus-infected cell will release interferons causing nearby cells to heighten their antiviral defenses. IFNs belong to the large class of proteins known as cytokines, molecules used for communication between cells to trigger the protective defenses of the immune system that help eradicate pathogens. IFNs have various functions. 1. They activate immune cells, such as natural killer cells and macrophages. 2. They increase host defenses by regulating antigen presentation. Q. Hybridoma technology is a new biotechnological approach for commercial production of 2000. Monoclonal antibodies. B. Interferon. C. Antibiotics. D. Alcohol. Answer. A. Q. Match list I. Scientists will list 2 achievements and select the correct answer using the codes given below. 2002. List I. Scientists list 2 achievements. A. Arbor and Smith 1. Developed transgenic plants with Agrobacterium B. Feldman 2. Discovered endonucleases. C. Mullis 3. Discovered reverse transcriptase D-termin 4. Discovered polymerase Baltimore chain reaction. Codes. A. A2. B1. C4. D3. B. A1. B2. C4. D3. C. A2. B1. C3. D4. D. A1. B2. C3. D4. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. 2001. List A. List 2. Achievement in genetics. Scientists. A. Discovery of transduction 1. Khorana and conjugation in bacteria. B. Establishing the sex link 2. Coronberg inheritance. C. Isolation of DNA polymerase 3. Liederberg Froome coli. D. Establishing the complete 4. Morgan genetic code 5. Ochoa. Codes. A. A4. B3. C2. D1. B. A3. B4. C1. D5. C. A4. B3. C1. D5. D. A3. B4. C2. D1. Q. Which one of the following is the landmark performance of Dr. V. Mohan Reddy, an Indian, born doctor working in USA during February 2005? 2005. Research on human stem cell which is likely to revolutionize treatment of deadly disease like cancer. B. Successful open heart procedure called arterial switch performed on an infant. C. Research on genetic engineering which can help in treatment of deadly disease like AIDS. D. Successful brain surgery to revive the function of nearly dead brain of a premature born infant. Q. Read about the following technologies, terms recently seen in use. 1. FLINK. 2. Speed breeding techniques, wheat production. 3. Gene silencing 4. Gene editing and CRISPR technology. Prelim special. Previous year questions. Science and technology. Information technology and communication networks. Questions from science and technology. Science and technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 20. Diseases in news 21. Biotechnology 23. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments. Artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16Q. Consider the following. 2010. 1. Bluetooth device. 2. Cordless phone. 3. Microwave oven. 4. Wi-Fi device which of the above can operate between 2.4 and 2.5 GHz range of radio frequency band. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum radio frequency band. Electromagnetic spectrum radio frequency band. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances using short wavelength UHF radio waves in the industrial, scientific and medical radio bands from 2.400 to 2.485 GHz and building personal area networks bands. It was originally conceived as a wireless alternative to RS-232 data cables. Bluetooth is managed by the Bluetooth Special Interest Group (SIG), which has more than 30,000 member companies in the areas of telecommunication, computing, networking, and consumer electronics. The IEEE standardized Bluetooth as IEEE 802.15.1 but no longer maintains the standard. The Bluetooth SIG oversees development of the specification, manages the qualification program, and protects the trademarks. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a family of radio wireless technologies that is commonly used for the wireless local area networking (WLAN) of devices which is based around the IEEE 802.11 family of standards. Wi-Fi most commonly uses the 2.4 GHz, 12 cm UHF and 5 GHz, 6 cm SHF is in radio bands. These bands are subdivided into multiple channels. Each channel can be time shared by multiple networks. These wavelengths work best for line of sight. Many common materials absorb or reflect them, which further restricts range, but can tend to help minimize interference between different networks in crowded environments. At close range, some versions of Wi-Fi running on suitable hardware can achieve speeds of over 1 gigabit per second. Microwave oven. A microwave oven, also commonly referred to as a microwave, is an electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to electromagnetic radiation in the microwave frequency range. This induces polar molecules in the food to rotate and produce thermal energy in a process known as dielectric heating. Microwave ovens heat foods quickly and efficiently because excitation is fairly uniform in the outer 25-38 mm, 1 to 1.5 inches of a homogeneous, high water content food item. Microwaves are a form of non-ionizing electromagnetic radiation with a frequency higher than ordinary radio waves but lower than infrared radiation. Consumer ovens usually use 2.45 GHz, GHz, a wavelength of 12.2 cm, 4.80 in, while large industrial, commercial ovens often use 950 MHz, MHz 32.8 cm, 12.9 in. Microwave. Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, with frequencies between 300 MHz, 1 meter and 300 GHz, 1 millimeter. Microwaves travel by line of sight. Unlike lower frequency radio waves, they do not diffract around hills, follow the Earth's surface as ground waves, or reflect from the ionosphere, so terrestrial microwave communication links are limited by the visual horizon to about 40 miles, 64 kilometers. Cordless phone. A cordless telephone or portable telephone is a telephone in which the handset is portable and communicates with the body of the phone by radio instead of being attached by a cord. The base station is connected to the telephone network through a telephone line as a corded telephone is, and also serves as a charger to charge the handset's batteries. The range is limited, usually to the same building or some short distance from the base station. The first generation phones operated in the bands 914 to 915 MHz and 959 to 960 MHz, which overlaps the bands 890 to 915 MHz and 935 to 960 MHz allocated to Global System for Mobile Communications (GSM) networks. In India, as per National Frequency Allocations Plan -2011, NFAP 2011, in 04, certain spot frequencies in 1, 6 to 1.7 MHz, 43-46 MHz, paired with 48-50 MHz and 150-151 MHz bands have been allocated for cordless telephony applications. As per the notification GSR 45E dated the 28th of January 2005, usages, possession or dealing in low power equipments in the frequency band 2.4-2.4835 GHz has been exempted from licensing requirement. Further, the usages, possession or dealing in low frequency band 5.150 to 5.350 GHz and 5.725 to 5.875 GHz are also exempted from licensing requirement. Today, the digital spread spectrum technology-based cordless telephones using ISM bands 2.4-2.485 GHz, 5.150-5.350 GHz and 5.725 to 5.875 GHz cordless telephone are available and have large installation base. Cordless phone. Q. Consider the following. 2010. 1. Bluetooth device. 2. Cordless phone. 3. Microwave oven. 4. Wi-Fi device which of the above can operate between 2.4 and 2.5 GHz range of radio frequency band. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer. D. Q. What is the difference between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices? 2011 I. Bluetooth uses 2.4 GHz radio frequency band, whereas Wi-Fi can use 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequency band. B. Bluetooth is used for wireless local area networks (WLAN) only, whereas Wi-Fi is used for wireless wide area networks (WWAN) only. C. When information is transmitted between two devices using Bluetooth technology, the devices have to be in the line of sight of each other, but when Wi-Fi technology is used, the devices need not be in the line of sight of each other. D. The statements A and B given above are correct in this context. Wireless technology. Wireless technology refers to technology that allows us to communicate without using cables or wires. The most common wireless technologies use radio waves. With radio waves, distances can be short, such as a few meters for Bluetooth or as far as millions of kilometers for deep space radio communications. It encompasses various types of fixed, mobile, and portable applications, including two-way radios, cellular telephones, personal digital assistants (PDAs), and wireless networking. Other examples of applications of radio wireless technology include GPS units, headphones, radio receivers, satellite television, broadcast television, and cordless telephones. Somewhat less common methods of achieving wireless communications include the use of other electromagnetic wireless technologies, such as light, magnetic, or electric fields, or the use of sound. The photophone. The first wireless conversation ever occurred in 1880 when Charles Sumner Tainter and Alexander Graham Bell invented the photophone. They also patented the photophone in that year. The photophone was a telephone that conducted audio conversation over modulated light beams. Radio transmission and wireless telegraphy. Guglielmo Marconi, 1874-1937, an Italian inventor and electrical engineer, pioneered work on long-distance radio transmission. In 1909, Marconi and Carl Ferdinand Braun shared the Nobel Prize in Physics for the development of wireless telegraphy. Braun, 1850-1918, was a German inventor and physicist. LAN. LAN, local area network, stands for local area network. It covers, as the name suggests, a local area. This usually includes a local office, and they're also pretty common in homes now, thanks to the spread of Wi-Fi. WAN. WAN, wide area network, in contrast to a LAN, refers to a wide area network. The name is exactly what it sounds like, a network that covers an area wider than a LAN. WANs can be wide, using fiber optic cable, for example, or wireless. A wireless WAN might use microwave or infrared (IR) transmission technology, or even satellite. Laying fiber may make sense when connecting a campus but becomes more expensive when connecting greater distances. To save money, an organization may opt for wireless technology or lease lines from a third party. Feature Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Frequency 2.4 GHz, 2.4, 3.6, 5 GHz. Cost low, high bandwidth low, 800 kilobits per second, high 11 megabits per second. Specifications Authority Bluetooth SIG IEEE, WECA. Security. It is less secure. Wi-Fi has better security and uses WEP, wide equivalency privacy, and WPA, Wi-Fi protected. Access. Year of development 1994, 1991. Primary devices, mobile phones, mouse, keyboards, office, and industrial automation devices. Notebook computers, desktop computers. Servers, TV, latest mobiles. Range 5-10 meters up to 100 meters. Power consumption low, high, ease of use, fairly simple to use. Can be used too. It is more complex and requires configuration. V. Wi-Fi Direct, initially called Wi-Fi P2P, is a Wi-Fi standard enabling devices to easily connect with each other without requiring a wireless access point. Wi-Fi Direct allows two devices to establish a direct Wi-Fi connection without requiring a wireless router. Hence, Wi-Fi Direct is single radio hop communication, not multi-hop wireless communication, unlike wireless ad hoc. Networks and mobile ad hoc networks. Wi-Fi becomes a way of communicating wirelessly, much like Bluetooth. It is useful for everything from internet browsing to file transfer, and to communicate with one or more devices simultaneously at typical Wi-Fi speeds. One advantage of Wi-Fi Direct is the ability to connect devices even if they are from different manufacturers. Only one of the Wi-Fi devices needs to be compliant with Wi-Fi Direct to establish a peer-to-peer connection that transfers data directly between them with greatly reduced setup. Wi-Fi Direct. Q. What is the difference between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices? 2011 I. Bluetooth uses 2.4 GHz radio frequency band, whereas Wi-Fi can use 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequency band. B. Bluetooth is used for wireless local area networks (WLAN) only, whereas Wi-Fi is used for wireless wide area networks (WWAN) only. C. When information is transmitted between two devices using Bluetooth technology, the devices have to be in the line of sight of each other, but when Wi-Fi technology is used, the devices need not be in the line of sight of each other. D. The statements A and B given above are correct in this context. Answer A. Q. Which among the following does not belongs to the GSM family of wireless technologies? 2010. A. Edge. B. LTE. C. DSL. D. Both Edge and LTE. GSM wireless technology. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voice and data services. The concept of GSM emerged from a cell-based mobile radio system at Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. GSM is the name of a standardization group established in 1982 to create a common European mobile telephone standard. GSM is the most widely accepted standard in telecommunications and it is implemented globally. GSM is a circuit switch system that divides each 200 kHz channel into 825 kHz time slots. GSM operates on the mobile communication bands 900 MHz and 1800 MHz in most parts of the world. In the US, GSM operates in the bands 850 MHz and 1900 MHz. GSM owns a market share of more than 70% of the world's digital cellular subscribers. GSM makes use of narrowband time division multiple access (TDMA) technique for transmitting signals. GSM was developed using digital technology. It has an ability to carry 64 kilobits per second to 120 megabits per second of data rates. The GSM standard originally described a digital circuit switch network optimized for full duplex voice telephony. This expanded over time to include data communications, first by circuit switch transport, then by packet data transport via general packet radio service (GPRS), and enhanced data rates for GSM evolution Edge. Subsequently, the 3GPP developed third generation 3G UMTS standards, followed by fourth generation 4G LTE advanced standards, which do not form part of the XC GSM standard. Edge. Enhanced data rates for GSM evolution Edge, also known as enhanced GPRS, EGPRS, or IMT single carrier, IMTSC, or enhanced data rates for global evolution, is a digital mobile phone technology that allows improved data transmission rates as a backward compatible extension of GSM. Edge became commercially available in 2001. It is regarded as an evolutionary standard on the way to universal mobile telecommunications service (UMTS). Edge is considered a PRE 3G radio technology and is part of its 3G definition. Edge was deployed on GSM networks beginning in 2003 initially by AT&T in the United States. Edge can be used for any packet switched application, such as an internet connection. Edge Enhanced Data GSM Environment is a faster version of the Global System for Mobile (GSM) wireless service designed to deliver data at rates up to 384 kilobits per second and enable the delivery of multimedia. Other broadband applications to mobile phone and computer users. The latency is maximum up to 100 milliseconds. The Edge standard is built on the existing GSM standard, using the same time division multiple access TDMA frame structure and existing cell arrangements. Ericsson notes that its base stations can be updated with software. LTE. Long-term evolution LTE is a standard for wireless broadband communication for mobile devices and data terminals based on the GSM, Edge and UMTS HSPA technologies. It increases the capacity and speed using a different radio interface together with core network improvements. The standard is developed by the 3GPP third generation partnership project. LTE is the upgrade path for carriers with both GSM, UMTS networks and CDMA 2000 networks. The goal of LTE was to increase the capacity and speed of wireless data networks using UDSP, digital signal processing techniques and modulations that were developed around the turn of the millennium. A further goal was the redesign and simplification of the network architecture to an IP-based system with significantly reduced transfer latency compared to the 3G architecture. The LTE wireless interface is incompatible with 2G and 3G networks, so that it must be operated on a separate radio spectrum. The LTE specification provides downlink peak rates of 300 megabits per second, uplink peak rates of 75 megabits per second, and permitting a transfer latency of less than 5 milliseconds in the radio access network. LTE has the ability to manage fast-moving mobiles and supports multicast and broadcast streams. LTE supports scalable carrier bandwidths from 1.4 MHz to 20 MHz and supports both frequency division duplexing (FDD) and time division duplexing (TDD). Mobile wireless generations 4G. 4G is the fourth generation of mobile phone technology. It follows on from the existing 3G, third generation, and 2G, second generation mobile technology. The standards for 4G, set by the radio sector of the International Telecommunication Union (ITUR), are denoted as International Mobile Telecommunications Advance (IMT Advance). Mobile 4G network uses several frequencies: 700 MHz, 850 MHz, 900 MHz, 1800 MHz, 2100 MHz, 2300 MHz, and 2600 MHz. Mobile wireless generations 5G. 5G, short for fifth generation, is a commonly used term for certain advanced wireless systems. 5G is the fifth generation wireless network which promises ultra-reliable, very fast speeds and high bandwidth mobile connectivity and supports massive interconnected devices spread across wide areas like Internet of Things (IoT). It made the worldwide debut in the Winter Olympics at Pyeongchang, South Korea. Union Telecom Ministry had announced 5G technology will be rolled out from 2020. This would entail accelerating the BharatNet program for deploying connectivity infrastructures. 5 companies dominate 5G radio hardware and 5G systems for carriers: Huawei, ZTE, Nokia, Samsung, and Ericsson. Mobile wireless generations 5GQ, which among the following does not belongs to the GSM family of wireless technologies. 2010. A. Edge. B. LTE. C. DSL. D. Both Edge and LTE. Answer C. Q. With reference to near field communication NFC technology, which of the following statements are correct? 2015I. 1. It is a contactless communication technology that uses electromagnetic radio fields. 2. NFC is designed for use by devices which can be at a distance of even a meter from each other. 3. NFC can use encryption when sending sensitive information. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only, B 3 only. C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. Near field communication technology. Near field communication NFC is a short range wireless technology that allows a device to collect and interpret data from another closely located NFC device or tag. It uses electromagnetic field induction to enable communication between devices when they're touched together or brought within a few centimeters of each other. Jointly developed by Philips and Sony, the standard specifies a way for the devices to establish a peer-to-peer (P2P) network to exchange data. NFC employs inductive coupling technology, in which power and data are shared through coupled inductive circuits over a very close proximity of a few centimeters. NFC technology is similar to radio frequency identification (RFID) tags, but the contactless way in which NFC devices interact also bears similarity to Bluetooth. NFC is a set of short-range wireless technologies, typically requiring a separation of 10 centimeters or less. NFC operates at 13.56 MHz on ISO IEC 18000-3 air interface and at rates ranging from 106 kilobit per second to 424 kilobit per second. NFC tags contain data and are typically read-only, but may be writable. They can be custom encoded by their manufacturers or use NFC forum specifications. The tags can securely store personal data such as debit and credit card information, loyalty program data, pins and networking contacts, among other information. The NFC forum defines 4 types of tags that provide different communication speeds and capabilities in terms of configurability, memory, security, data retention, and write endurance. Tags currently offer between 96 and 4096 bytes of memory applications. RFID. RFID is an acronym for Radio Frequency Identification and refers to a technology whereby digital data encoded in RFID tags or smart labels, defined below, are captured by a reader via radio waves. RFID is similar to barcoding in the data from a tag or label are captured by a device that stores the data in a database. RFID, however, has several advantages over systems that use barcode asset tracking software. The most notable is that RFID tag data can be read outside the line of sight, whereas barcodes must be aligned with an optical scanner. RFID belongs to a group of technologies referred to as automatic identification and data capture (AIDC). AIDC methods automatically identify objects, collect data about them, and enter those data directly into computer systems with little or no human intervention. RFID methods utilize radio waves to accomplish this. At a simple level, RFID systems consist of 3 components: an RFID tag or smart label, an RFID reader, and an antenna. RFID tags contain an integrated circuit and an antenna, which are used to transmit data to the RFID reader, also called an interrogator. The reader then converts the radio waves to a more usable form of data. Information collected from the tags is then transferred through a communications interface to a host computer system, where the data can be stored in a database and analyzed at a later time. They can be active or passive tags based on the power backups. RFID. Q. With reference to near field communication (NFC) technology, which of the following statements are correct? 2015I. 1. It is a contactless communication technology that uses electromagnetic radio fields. 2. NFC is designed for use by devices which can be at a distance of even a meter from each other. 3. NFC can use encryption when sending sensitive information. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only, B 3 only. C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. Answer C. Q. WiMAX is related to which one of the following? 2009. Biotechnology. B. Space technology. C. Missile technology. D. Communication technology. WiMAX. WiMAX Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access is a family of wireless broadband communication standards based on the IEEE 802.16 set of standards. WiMAX is one of the hottest broadband wireless technologies around today. WiMAX systems are expected to deliver broadband access services to residential and enterprise customers in an economical way. The name WiMAX was created by the WiMAX Forum, which was formed in June 2001. WiMAX was initially designed to provide 30 to 40 megabit per second data rates, with the 2011 update it can provide up to 1 gigabit per second for fixed stations. Uses. Providing portable mobile broadband connectivity across cities and countries through various devices. Providing a wireless alternative to cable and digital subscriber line (DSL) for last mile broadband access. Providing data, telecommunications, VoIP, and IPTV services triple play. Providing internet connectivity as part of a business continuity plan. Smart grids and metering. WiMAX vs Wi-Fi. WiMAX is a long-range system covering many kilometers that uses licensed and unlicensed spectrum to deliver connection to a network, in most cases the internet. Wi-Fi uses the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz radio frequency bands to provide access to a local network. WiMAX could potentially be deployed in a variety of spectrum bands: 2.3 GHz, 2.5 GHz, 3.5 GHz, and 5.8 GHz. Wi-Fi is more popular in end-user devices. Wi-Fi runs on the media access control CSMA/CA protocol, which is connectionless and contention-based, whereas WiMAX runs a connection-oriented MAC. WiMAX is capable of speeds up to 40 megabits per second over a distance of several miles. WiMAX can also provide more than just internet access. It can deliver video and voice transmissions and telephone access. Q. WiMAX is related to which one of the following? 2009. Biotechnology. B. Space technology. C. Missile technology. D. Communication technology. Answer D. Q. Consider the following statements. 2004. 1. Smart card is a plastic card with an embedded microchip. 2. Digital technology is primarily used with new physical communication mediums such as satellite and fiber optics transmission. 3. A digital library is a collection of documents in an organized electronic form available on the internet only. Which of the statements given above are correct? 3 only, B, 1 and 2, C, 2 and 3, D, 1, 2 and 3. Smart card. A smart card is a special type of card-like device which contains an integrated circuit chip embedded on it. The IC chip can be a microprocessor with memory or just simple memory circuit. In simple layman's words, a smart card is the card with which we can exchange the data, store it and manipulate data. Working. A smart card is connected to the host computer or controller via a card reader which gets information from the smart card and accordingly passes the information to the host computer or controller. A smart card reader is a device to which the smart card is connected either directly or indirectly using RF communication. It interfaces with the PC or a microcontroller using USB port or RS-232 serial ports. It can be a contact or contactless reader. Digital library. A digital library, digital repository, or digital collection is an online database of digital objects that can include text, still images, audio, video, or other digital media formats. Objects can consist of digitized content like print or photographs, as well as originally produced digital content like word processor files or social media posts. In addition to storing content, digital libraries provide means for organizing, searching, and retrieving the content contained in the collection. Digital libraries can vary immensely in size and scope and can be maintained by individuals or organizations. 1. The digital content may be stored locally or accessed remotely via computer networks. These information retrieval systems are able to exchange information with each other through interoperability and sustainability. National Digital Library of India. The National Digital Library of India (NDLI) is a project under Ministry of Human Resource Development, India. The objective is to integrate several national and international digital libraries in one single web portal. The NDLI provides free of cost access to many books in English and the Indian languages. It is being developed at IIT Kharagpur. NDL is the single window platform that collects and collates metadata from Premier Learning institutions in India and abroad, as well as other relevant sources. It is a digital repository containing textbooks, articles, videos, audiobooks, lectures, simulations, fiction, and all other kinds of learning media. It has been designed to hold content of any language and provides learning and research interface support for leading Indian languages. Q. Consider the following statements. 2004. 1. Smart card is a plastic card with an embedded microchip. 2. Digital technology is primarily used with new physical communication mediums such as satellite and fiber optics transmission. 3. A digital library is a collection of documents in an organized electronic form available on the internet only. Which of the statements given above are correct? 3 only, B, 1 and 2, C, 2 and 3, D, 1, 2 and 3. Answer B. Q. With reference to Li-Fi, recently in the news, which of the following statements are correct? 1. It uses light as the medium for high-speed data transmission. 2. It is a wireless technology and is several times faster than Wi-Fi. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B, 2 only. C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. Li-Fi, light fidelity, is a high-speed wireless communication technology that uses visible light to transmit information. The term was first introduced by Harold Haas during a 2011 Tech Global Talk in Edinburgh. In technical terms, Li-Fi is a visible light communication system that is capable of transmitting data at high speeds over the visible light, ultraviolet, and infrared spectrums. In its present state, only LED lamps can be used for the transmission of visible light. Li-Fi. Li-Fi relies on visible light to communicate. Hence, waves are able to carry far more information than the traditional radio waves used in Wi-Fi technology. The visible light spectrum is almost 10,000 times larger than the spectrum occupied by radio waves. A Li-Fi connection can transmit data at the rate of 224 gigabytes per second. Li-Fi is also more suitable in electromagnetic sensitive areas like hospitals, airplane cabins, and nuclear power plants where electromagnetic disturbance can be disastrous. Advantages. Since it uses visible light to transmit data, Li-Fi would be rather useless in conditions where there is no light. That means no internet at night. Since visible rays cannot pass through walls, the range of access is limited. This technology is also said to be less reliable and has high installation charges. Disadvantages. Working of Li-Fi. Li-Fi is a visible light communications VLC system. This means that it accommodates a photodetector to receive light signals and a signal processing element to convert the data into streamable content. Here, data is fed into an LED light bulb with signal processing technology. It then sends data embedded in its beam at rapid speeds to the photodetector photodiode. The tiny changes in the rapid dimming of LED bulbs is then converted by the receiver into electrical signal. The signal is then converted back into a binary data stream that the user would recognize as web, video, and audio applications that run on internet-enabled devices. Q. With reference to Li-Fi, recently in the news, which of the following statements are correct? 2016. 1. It uses light as the medium for high-speed data transmission. 2. It is a wireless technology and is several times faster than Wi-Fi. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B, 2 only. C, both 1 and 2. D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer C. Q. With its virtual private network. 2011 I. It is a private computer network of an organization where the remote users can transmit encrypted information through the server of the organization. B. It is a computer network across a public internet that provides users access to their organization's network while maintaining the security of the information transmitted. C. It is a computer network in which users can access a shared pool of computing resources through a service provider. D. None of the statements A, B, and C given above is correct description of virtual private network. Virtual private network. A virtual private network (VPN) extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared public networks as if their computing devices were directly connected to the private network. Applications running on a computing device, e.g. a laptop, desktop, smartphone, across a VPN may therefore benefit from the functionality, security, and management of the private network. Encryption is a common though not an inherent part of a VPN connection. VPN technology was developed to allow remote users and branch offices to access corporate applications and resources. Benefits. Enhanced security. When you connect to the network through a VPN, the data is kept secure and encrypted. In this way, the information is away from the hacker's eyes. Remote control. In case of a company, the great advantage of having a VPN is that the information can be accessed remotely even from home or from any other place. That's why a VPN can increase productivity within a company. Share files. A VPN service can be used if you have a group that needs to share data for an extended period. Online anonymity. Through a VPN you can browse the web in complete anonymity. Compared to hide IP software or web proxies, the advantage of a VPN service is that it allows you to access both web applications and websites in complete anonymity. Unblock websites and bypass filters. VPNs are great for accessing blocked websites or for bypassing internet filters. This is why there is an increased number of VPN services used in countries where internet censorship is applied. Change IP address. If you need an IP address from another country, then a VPN can provide you this. Better performance. Bandwidth and efficiency of the network can generally be increased once a VPN solution is implemented. Reduce costs. Once a VPN network is created, the maintenance cost is very low. More than that, if you opt for a service provider, the network setup and surveillance is no more a concern. Q. With its virtual private network. 2011 I. It is a private computer network of an organization where the remote users can transmit encrypted information through the server of the organization. B. It is a computer network across a public internet that provides users access to their organization's network while maintaining the security of the information transmitted. C. It is a computer network in which users can access a shared pool of computing resources through a service provider. D. None of the statements A, B, and C given above is correct description of virtual private network. Answer B. Q. In which of the following areas can GPS technology be used?